Righto, so what it did was we got one of these Heinz squeeze and stir concentrates for about 50p. Absolutely fabulous. Got some water there. Set up the old Jetboil back here. As you can see, it's absolutely blowing a gale out there, but Jetboil, it's coming up a treat. Look at that. And I'm telling you, right, it has been on for like a minute, right? It's absolutely amazing, this thing. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it yet. Holy Toledo. Ow. That's it. It's done. It's done. Okay, we've got boil on. Whoa, steady. That's it. And just as Darcy arrives with some more little creatures, yeah.